afternoon, this is Iman Afshar with the Afshar Law Firm. I'm coming at you with another video today, and this video is mainly just to clarify some of the other videos and address multiple questions that I've been receiving. I've been receiving the same questions over and over again, so that's why I decided to make another video. If you can tell, I'm not in the house, not in the office, just out enjoying the weather, but practicing social distancing, so So one of the questions that I received was, I guess it was a little bit of confusion over unemployment. So the last video that I posted was about small businesses, and that was triggered only at small businesses and small employers on what benefits they could get out of the bill that was passed. There was no connection between unemployment and workers and that video. So originally, just because whether you work for a small business or a large business, it doesn't matter. If you need to file for unemployment, you file for unemployment, and that's if you're an employee with the Texas Workforce Commission or the Workforce Commission of the state that you belong to, because I have been receiving questions from people from out of state of Texas. So it doesn't matter whether it's small business or large business, remember that. Now, the other question I got was a few people that were self-employed, and if you remember what I was saying, that there was a disaster unemployment assistance program with the state of Texas, and now with this bill that passed, a pandemic unemployment assistance program with the bill. And so that will help those people that are independent contractors, freelancers, gig workers, anything like that, to go ahead and get their unemployment assistance. And it basically, what it does, it expands upon the state unemployment plan that provide the extra income. So it's that's separate. That's for the independent contractors and small business owners. And remember, a small business is 500 employees or less. So, and if you're an independent contractor, well, it's just you. So that was that. The other question I got was regarding dependents. So if you are a family, so the way the stimulus check was set up was that if you filed taxes, then in 2019 or 2018, that's how they determined your eligibility to receive a stimulus check. If you are a dependent of someone else, then you didn't file taxes and therefore you're not eligible. Unfortunately, there are, as far as the dependent status, for people that have elderly parents or adult children that that are their dependents, there is no relief being granted, and that's unfortunate. However, that's the way the bill, maybe in a future, if they decide to do a secondary payout, they will include it. But as of now, if you are a dependent, then you're not eligible. And the only eligibility is the basically children under the age of 17 with the $500, as we discussed in another video. So a third question that I get was regarding alien registration, and whether those people that are working here that are not residents or citizens, and how does it work. So as of now, they have discussed that the way that you're determining whether you're going to get a stimulus check, of course, citizens, permanent residents or green card holders, and also resident aliens. And I'm going to make a separate video to discuss the difference between non-resident and resident aliens, because it's slightly complicated, and I'm going to go ahead and make that video separately, probably in the next 5 minutes or so, so you'll still see this. But anyways, I'll make that to discuss that separately, just in case you need to know about that and how that's calculated. So for now, stay safe, step outside, enjoy the weather, and we'll be talking again soon.